Hello. Today I'm competing in another Rubik's Cube competition. I am driving there tonight, which is Friday, and then Saturday's the comp. And there's gonna be some really good clockers there, so I'm not gonna podium, but it'll still be fun to compete. There's also gonna be a raffle at the competition, so and there's the Super Waylon V2 is a raffle prize, so it would be really cool if I won that, or any other prize. I'd be happy with anything. Yeah, or that timer. I thought that was cool too. Anyways, my friend is organizing the comps. They'll be fun too. I'm going to try and vlog a lot in between rounds, more than I did at Pittsford. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. I'm going to pack it now, time-lapse that. I'm going to put you, I don't know where I'm going to put the camera, but we'll see. And yeah, so let's get right into that. We are all packed up for Syracuse. There's the bags. 2 bags filled with Rubik's Cubes. This one and this one. This one I have a clock, Megamix and Pyramix is in, and this one I have all my N-Bions and then 2 clocks. I'm gonna have to put some lubes in here if I get like any kick or anything. Drop my phone there. Perfect. I will see you. Maybe also a little bit of the car ad for the intro. That'll look pretty cool. Yeah, that'll be it. And I will see you at the competition. Bye.
There you go. So you can fall. See?
Yeah.
The judge will start the extension stopwatch.
Nina, station 6.
Simon D.
Evan Lewis, 6.
Table 12.
Simon, 10.
Were there 2 cards?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one is
This
Owen?
isn't my
Who's
cube.
Owen?
This is not a time for me.
I quit from New York all the way to Seattle.
You're looking at the 2025 Megaminx World Champion right here.
Yep. World record. I was so close to world record in Megamix. Yeah, but seriously, I did well 3x3. I got 17th with a 15.15 average. I think I have to judge Megamix next, and then I have Pyramix next, which I don't care about, and then I have Clock, and then after that I might film a little bit for lunch. And then there's a raffle too going on, so I might film a little bit of that. We'll see how that goes for me. Alright, bye-bye.
Preston, station 4.
Lewis, station 11.
Okay. Is this your first competition?
What the nerves?
Bentley, station 12.
Station 5.
Bentley, 12.
I used like 23, I got a lot more than maybe 10. That's what I mean.
was gonna learn them, and I was like, I don't have time for this.
Sir, there's no judge at that station, so I can't. Can you just move me back there?
Hopefully enough.
Check.
8 seconds.
Check. Yeah, I'm actually sub 1. I have sub 1 hours.
Okay. Alright, Owen. This is arguably the most difficult case you can get on 3x3. This is basically 3x3 parity. The algorithm is super complicated. What you do is U2, U2, 3, U, T perm, J perm, U prime, U perm on the right side, another U perm on the left side, an H perm, a J perm, and an A perm.
Oh, I just scramble the cube every time I get that.
Jonathan Wang, station 6.
Evan Waters, station.
Station 5.
Lewis Chong, station 6.
Jacob 5.
Station 6. Jacob Evan.
Oh, yes!
Mark John, station 6. Tamar Ozat, station.
Oh my God, great.
Thank you. All right. Brandon Brazil, station 9.
I'm ready. Yes!
Document the writing process.
Collins, Station 6.
Check for plagiarism and AI-generated text. Cite sources correctly. Get real-time feedback. English 1. Here's from the former CIO of Wharton Business School. It's not just a grammar tool. It's a responsible AI writing assistant for the new era of communication. Download Grammarly for free today.
Jake, Station 12.
Time to get 4 straight parodies.
Get us some parody.
I've had parody every time. That's why I haven't. I'm ready.
It's like a 28, 23,
Oh, I wanted to keep looking at it.
half of the songs were horrible, the other half that's 3 by 3.
Evan.
Check. Yay. 5 the rest of this round. Oh gosh. Check it. Check it, please.
Skylar, Station 1.
Yes! Yay. That might be okay.
Speedcubing in the Cuse 2025 with an 8.80 average, Evan Waters.